Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are starting this video off in a 2022 Porsche Macan GTS. This is a brand new SUV with only 8,000 miles on it. I'm so excited to dive into this one. I love Macans, and when it's paired with the GTS power, I love it even more. So let's go ahead and dive right into this one. So starting off with the interior, you have a full black interior with tons of different textures, including leather, this really nice brushed metal. You have the haptic touch area right here, and then you also have hints of Alcantara in here. And it's really nice combination throughout this interior. Now starting off with the steering wheel, I love how this reminds me exactly of a 911 steering wheel. I love it so much. Just feels really good to drive. And of course you have the nice metal paddle shifters right there. You do have a really nice, like I said, haptic touch center console area. And when I turn the car over, all of this lights up, and all you have to do is just lightly press, and you'll notice that I'm pressing the exhaust button. With the GTS, you do have a valved exhaust system that sounds amazing under load. Kind of hear the exhaust a little bit, but obviously you can do much more to enhance that sound and enhance those little burbles. As you can see in the back, there's tons of room as well, so this is a really good daily driver option, as well as just that family road trip type of vehicle. Really comfortable and squishy seats, which is one of my pet peeves. If I don't have a squishy and comfortable seat when I'm going on a road trip, I am just not going to have a good time to begin with. But tons of storage today. There's tons of storage space in here. Tons of really nice textures and feels, and just really nice overall interior. Let's go ahead and dive into the exterior. Taking a look at the exterior of this 2022 Macan GTS, this is a 434 horsepower V6 twin turbo system that powers this SUV, and I really do like that combination with the twin turbo V6. I think 434 to the wheel is really nice to begin with. Obviously you can do much more mods to kind of enhance that power, make it louder, and just make it way more aggressive than it ever wanted to be. But moving on, you have these Pilot Sport All Season 4s on here. These are really nice. These are 265, 40, 21 in the front, 295, 35, 21. So a little bit of an interesting staggered setup there. But anyways, it's really just a clean exterior. And my favorite feature about this whole Macan GTS is probably the rear end again. Not only do you have the Euro spec clear tail right there, but you also have that dual quad tipped exhaust. This one actually has the tow hook system already set up. So for those that are ready to go ahead and tow maybe like a jet ski or two, or like a little trailer or whatnot, you can go ahead and do that and hit the road running. That is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know down below. If you are interested in this 2022 Macan GTS, again, 434 to the wheel, powerful twin turbo V6 engine, making all of this happen, go ahead, click the link in the description below. You can find out tons of more information on the car, as well as more photos and just a full spec sheet on this. You can schedule your virtual appointment or schedule your test drive today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.